Well, good morning, Coffee Time friends. How you doing? It's Black Friday, they call it. It's when all the merchants try to make enough money today to put them in the black for the year. It is 8:58. You got 2 minutes before the y'all's website opens.
Ooh,
and they got all kinds of wonderful things. They sent Mama some beautiful shirts.
I love them.
Look at this. This says, happiness is homemade. And then look at the back. Look
I
how
love
pretty.
it.
Happiness is homemade. Mama, and it's long sleeve, so she can start wearing it right now.
Yeah, I love it. Look what I've got on now.
Yeah, that's your... Mama wears y'all's clothes all the time. Thank you, boys, for clothing her.
Yeah, thank you
It's
so
been great.
much.
And
And
then-
it's cold, and these are just wonderful.
Yes, it is cold here today. We are not having coffee. Oh,
No,
who said that? This is tea. A lot of people say, why don't they make it in the single thing so I can make a cup of hot tea? We make it by the gallons. So
oh, yeah.
then we pour it in this cup. We stick it in that microwave, and it's wonderful hot tea anytime we want it. And it's already got the sugar, it's already got everything in it.
It's ready to drink in just a few seconds, so I love it.
And it's so good. It's so good. Okay, back to business.
This is
We gotta
my
hurry.
every morning
You
treat.
got 1 moment, Mama. 1 minute.
Oh,
So here, count your blessings, y'all sweet tea. And it's a big old sweatshirt. Mama, I can see you in this gray sweatshirt because I know.
I got on a lavender one now, you all.
I know it will be warm. But here,
I love them. They're so cute.
this one's mine because, well, I'll show you why in a minute. This one's mine. And it happens to have one of my favorite sayings on it. This is not a verse from the Bible, but it is an old saying. This too shall pass. And, like, you know, when you're sitting around, you're having a good time with all your friends and your family, just remember, it won't always be this way. It'll pass too. If you're having a hard time, remember, it won't always be that way. It'll pass too. This too shall pass. These Tervis tumblers, I use them all the time. They will you can put a straw in them. You can just drink them like this. They will hold your drink. They will not sweat. Why is this one mine? Why am I being so greedy?
Excuse you.
Because this one is absolutely beautiful. And it just, my mama needs something that pretty in her life.
I
Look
love
at
some
that.
sunflowers.
Sunflowers in beautiful green. Yeah, this looks beautiful. Now, we can drink out of either one, you know, but we always say, oh, that's mine, that's mine. Okay, this says sweet tea and Jesus. Raised on sweet tea and Jesus. Starts up here. Raised on sweet tea and Jesus. That is beautiful. Mama claimed it. Really, I didn't claim mine first. She claimed hers. She said, oh, I want this sunflower. Mama, that's inside. I'm going to take the stickers off because I'm going to wash them because we'll start drinking out of them.
Yes. They're beautiful.
They're easy. Mama can hold it anywhere. She loves the Tervis tumblers. And they got those today. Thank you, guys. I'm going to tell you, these guys are all about the work, and they're all about putting in the time, but they're all about giving back to and being thankful for those who have made their company flourish. We've known them for a long time now, and they've been generous and helpful, and they give deals every time you, not today probably, because they probably have a better deal. I don't know. But you put my name, capital J-O-H-N, they'll give you 10% off your whole order, whatever you order any day of the week. Clothes, Tervis tumblers, or
And
this is back
Ooh, I
for
love
about
it.
10 minutes this morning, folks. It's 9:02. It's been open 2 minutes. You probably got about 8 or 9 more minutes to stock up on Mama Sue's hot chocolate.
It's wonderful. I love it. Oh,
My mama makes a good hot chocolate. Now, don't get me wrong.
this is great.
But she says, Mama Sue's got her beat. And she says, and it's so much easier. Inside of here is not pouches. This is just a bag of hot chocolate. And it's full. And there's a scoop in here. 1 scoop with milk or water, Mama uses milk, will get you a delicious cup of hot chocolate. Absolutely delicious.
Yeah.
Mama Sue,
I don't
You
share
did
it
good.
much with you, do I?
I hardly ever get a cup. I'm not big. I drink hot chocolate occasionally. Mama will drink a little cup every day. So we've gone through several of these bags. Mama Sue, you hit the nail on the head when you... I heard Mama Sue that she was very picky when you was making this and developing it, and I'm so thankful for you for being that way because you got it just right. That's another thing. When they develop a product, they don't just say, hey, guys down there at the warehouse or wherever they... I don't know. I'm just making that part up. But they don't just say, hey, make me some peach tea and send it up here. No. They have sent us stuff before to taste. Could y'all taste this and tell us what you think? They put so much work and effort. It takes a year for them to develop a product. Because just like with this hot chocolate, I bet Mama Sue had to taste 100 cups. But they will not put it out until it's perfect.
I'm glad it's
They will not put out a product until it tastes the way it should taste. They sent us some Georgia peach, but they've got... the blackberry, the blueberry. It's all so good. But they sent us this the other day. When you taste their flavors, you don't feel like you're tasting tea with flavoring. You feel like you're tasting tea with the peach in it because it's not artificial. It's very smooth. It's very good. So, and they have it in decaf. They have the peach tea in decaf. They have the regular tea. I have to say, boys, Mom and I have talked about this. We love all your flavors. Peach tea is our favorite, and they know that. But you cannot beat their tea, period. They're plain tea.
That's what we've got now.
That's what we have right now. We drink more of it than we do any other. And there's always a jug of it here. Now, there may be a jug of peach along with it. There may be a jug of blueberry, watermelon. There may be a jug of strawberry. There may be a jug of blackberry. But there will always be a regular jug. And
there's 2 jugs of tea in the refrigerator all the time, and sometimes 4 jugs of different flavors.
Exactly. Now, I've got coffee over here. Done been drinking on some coffee. But Mama said, we ought to have some hot tea with our y'all's tea. I said, count me in, Mama. I love the hot tea too.
That's my first thing I go to in the morning is a cup of hot tea.
And the beauty of it is that it comes in decaf, so a lot of times in the winter, when it's 25 degrees, Mama will say late at night, let's fix us a cup of hot tea. Okay, so we'll sit around and have a hot tea at 9 o'clock at night just because it's decaf and we have that option.
And it makes you relax to go to sleep.
It does. It does, and it's warm. And I love to just get a big old mug like this and just hold it in my hands.
That's the good part. Maybe that's what I like so much is to get the warmth and that taste all together.
In the summer, I stay hot, but when it's cold outside, I've been cold. I don't know about y'all, but our furnace has not stopped running. Oh, no, because it's below freezing, 25.
And it's supposed to get colder, 20 and lowers 19.
The cold snap. They also have these beautiful pictures. They sent us another picture. We've got a couple, but you know what, boys? We needed one more because the other day, Mama had to get another picture, and she said, I wish I had one more of these.
I'm being greedy, I'm sorry.
And I said, well, I'll order you one, Mama. But look here. It's got the little smiley face to keep your eyes from falling out. If you want that, you just turn it. You can have the ice come out, or you can have the ice not come out. So they thought of everything. It's got this little logo here. That is the mason jar with a straw. That's a southern thing, in case you didn't know.
We
Love
drink out
their
of
pictures.
jars a lot.
We still do. We drink out of their jars.
Yeah.
These pictures are not flimsy. Now, I'm pressing. I didn't know I can't prove that to you. Those are not flimsy pictures.
No.
These pictures are thick. I don't want to drop it but they are durable. When you've got tea in there, this handle don't, it's double reinforced. You see that T shape in there? Gives it all kinds of strength. When you use their, spoon, it's way up here. You don't have to get your hand in it. We absolutely love it.
I love my spoon.
Now
I love the other thing too, that you get your bags out, but my spoon's my favorite of it all.
We were approached by them years ago, and Mama said, "No, I'm not giving up my tea." You know, she liked the Lipton. And she said, I'm not giving up my tea. I've used it for 50 years. I said, Mama, they're not asking you to give up anything. They just sent this free trial for us to try. And she said, I've tried teas. I've tried several teas. People's told me to use this. I'm not giving up my tea.
But I gave you up.
I said, Mom, you don't have to. Just try it. Just try it. We tried it the first time. She loved it. She said, well, this is good tea. And to my knowledge, I don't think that we've ever fixed anything but y'all's, because Mama gave that to her sister. She said, here, you can have this tea. What we had left over in the box, there wasn't much of it. And maybe you took it to church. I don't remember what you did. But we've took y'all's tea to church since then. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But Mama is a true believer. We wouldn't lie to you. I mean, it's not that we are sponsored by them. We're proud to be sponsored by them. But we wouldn't lie to you about a product. If we didn't like it, we'd say, man, we don't like it. Or we just wouldn't take a sponsorship. We've been offered sponsorships.
And this is hot chocolate time right now. This cooler could
Yes.
hot chocolate's wonderful.
Now, they sent us this one back. I know that's not going to do us. I'm probably going to need to get on there before y'all buy it all up and get Mama some more for reserve. But this right here is worth the price of admission. And they've got it today, and the website's only been open for 9 minutes.
A minute is be about gone, I bet.
9 minutes. It won't take long. Y'all go get on there and get you some y'all's tea. Enjoy this Black Friday. Stay safe. Enjoy it. I'm going to wash some tumblers.
And order some sweatshirts. They are wonderful. They're so warm.
They do not shrink. They do not.
And if you're like me and stay cold, you can't ask for no better.
And look at the quality of this one, and she's worn it 100 times. I don't know if you can see. Come closer, Mama.
I can't.
It don't have any knots on it.
No.
The y'all's emblem is embroidered. It's perfect.
And I got purple and lavender on.
You look pretty, Mama. And this shirt looks as good as this shirt. And that's the quality that you're looking for. And I'll get my message, Mom.
Uh-oh.
Okay. That's what we come on here to talk to you all about this morning. Phone updated and I get messages and then they get in my way. I don't know what the deal is. I might do something. So we're going to enjoy our cup of tea. We're going to...
I'm just about drunk all of mine. I love it.
We're going to enjoy a cup of tea here, and we're going to enjoy our Friday. I hope y'all had a blessed Thanksgiving yesterday.
Yes, a very blessed.
Hope you have a safe day today, and be careful if you're out there on those roads or whatever you're doing.
Please drive safely.
Shopping. I guess
that's
it's
the shopping.
big shopping.
I ain't never got the courage to shop on Black Friday.
Mama, you don't shop, period.
I know it. I hardly ever shop, but I never did when I was young either.
No, she don't shop.
No.
Shopping's not Mama's thing.
I'm a looker sometimes.
She'll look, and now she's learning how to look online a little bit, and she'll say, order me that. She don't know how to order yet.
When you show me stuff, I can't do it.
She don't know how to order yet. She's not taking that challenge on. But anything she wants.
I've got you to order for me.
I'm her personal assistant. What can I say? All right, folks, get on there. Times are ticking. Go to Y'all's Brand. I will link in the comments. As soon as this goes off, I'll put a big Y'all's link on there. You can go straight there and get whatever you want. The shopping is unlimited today. And if you tried earlier, they had it closed for a reason, for a purpose, to get the Black Friday started. So try again. It's there. I will put the link right below in the comments. And it should stay right there for y'all. Okay? Y'all have a blessed day. Say goodbye, Mama.
Goodbye, Mama. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.